Hi, welcome to Packet Tracer 6.1.1. My name is David Campbell, and today I'm going to demonstrate designing and addressing a topology. What I've already done, I've done this half of the network, and I'm going to leave this half for demonstration purposes, because this will take 20 minutes just to demonstrate all this right here all together, and I can demonstrate this right here, and you can continue on doing this part just from what I've learned or from what I'm going to demonstrate on this side. So what I have here already set up, we've got router 1 is going to be talking to 3 different routers. So we're going to use the RIP version 2 protocol, and let's see, we're going to go talk from host B to host B, or host R2 host B to host R3 host B, and RTD to CP30 dash whatever we're going to click on. We got a success, which is perfect. What I've set up, the routers are a .1, printers are a .2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and that's how usually the network's going to be set up. Now you just got to remember that in the router 1 that you got to have all the networks in here, or all the networks in the routing protocol or the routing RIP. So you got to make sure you got that so everybody can talk to each other. First, we're going to just make sure that the router can talk to these computers, and then from these routers, this router to that router, we'll make sure it'll be talking to there. So first off, we're going to go and let's get router 1 all set up, or excuse me, router 4. I do apologize for that. So router 4, we're going to go to CLI. We could cheat if we wanted to and get the other, just go into the physical or the config side, cheat right there, but I do not want to do that. What we're going to do, enable config T. Alright, first problem of the day. What port is this going onto, or what type of wire connection on? So we got a little problem here. Let's see if we can. Looks like it's FA00. Let's see. Does not want to work. See, we got that, but we got, it's so tiny that we can't see it. So we're going to go back to router 4. I don't like router 2, so back to router 4, and let's, it should be FA00, which everything else is, but if it doesn't work, we'll go to FA01. Interface, any, yeah, FA. My hands are not typing good today. So we're in the interface. What we need is an IP address. Alright, so IP add, and if you did not notice, I am using the shortcut keys, or like I'm not using the longhand written command line interface. I'm doing it shorthand. So add address, that's what's going on. So if you pay attention to some of my packet tracers, you know I do the shorthand, makes things life easier, except for when I have to tell everybody about this, so that's what's drawing out on that. But just FYI. So 192, and I'm already given a bunch of addresses that I can use, so we're going to use the 192.168.120, and since it's the router, it's going to be .1, and .0 is our network. And we can't go too far without an subnet mask. And it just needs to be a class C, 55253 dot whatever, so 255.0. Correct. Okay. And let's see. What do I need for my serial cable? We want to talk to this guy right here. And I'm going to go down here. Dun, 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 dun. Okay, so I will never know if I'm doing this right because completion is 0% and it should always be 0. We're going to get this talking no matter what. Let's see. We're in router 4. Router 4 LAN will require 120 host IP address. Too simple. So we'll have a 252. Yeah, 253. No, we'll do a 252. Okay. I'm talking myself again. I do apologize. So let's exit. T 00/0/0. Double check that. 0/0. Okay. Let's see what we can do. What we'll do, let's get the interface. So we're in the interface. We got the if. So let's go with 192. I can't do that. IP address 192.1 plus 3 equals 4. 168. 240. 255.255.255/30. 252. Enter. Alright, clock rate. Look, I can't spell worth a dang today. 6400. Oh, it's a dash. I think it's. CLOCK question mark. 6400. Oh, great. And it does not like that. What is going on here? Am I just spelling something wrong? Probably. Okay. 64. That's what's going on. Learn from my mistakes, people, please. Okay, now we got a clock rate. Let's do RIP version. I'm gonna do a do run. It does not like that. DR. I'm just gonna pause it for here. It's gonna take forever. So I hit a do WR. See if there was a no shut. I bet you that was something else. No shut. Oh, no shut. So it kept up. All right. So router RIP version 2. All right, network. We have some other networks that we use, a 168.140.1 network and a 120.1. And that's what I use for the other network, so just bear in mind, if you want to change a little bit of that, you might want to check and change the network on this side right here. Okay. We'll do a do run. Exit. Control Z. Okay. So we should be able to get the interface. Show int. Come on. No show run. FA00 is down. Okay. TFA. Oh. No. Shut. Do run. Exit. Okay. Let's see. Give it a few seconds. It should recognize real soon. Let's see about our good old exit. Run. Serial 00. Doesn't show on the 000 the clock rate. Let's see. Cool. I'm gonna check something. Yeah, clock rate's good. Okay. So what we got to do here, we're just gonna go to Fig. This is where we can FA in there. So router 4, 192.168.120.2. Subnet mask 255. We got a class C. Perfect. Bam. Now this is going to be 3. 192.168.120.3. Oh, what did I have? 192.168.120.3. Just copy that. Get everything a little time to you know 4 5 5 static. Why aren't you asking me for my default gateway? I don't know. 1 2 3 4 5. Now they ended up pissing me off. Dot. Yes, I know. Dot 5. There we go. Six. Perfect. We should probably have to get the default gateway on here. Let's see. We're in serial exit INTFA 0/0 default gateway. Let's see. 00 subnet. Alright, it's good to go. If it starts asking for a default gateway, then we should be good, but let's see. Success. Alright, that's good. And let's see if we can just ping within the switch. Success, delete. Alright, now we have a problem. In progress, failed. Figured as much. That's okay. Now we gotta go to CL. Oh, let me just double check something. 0, 1, 0. And 0. Oh. We don't have an IP address, subnet mask, nada. Nothing wants to talk with each other. That A, it's not on. B, clock rate's not set right. IP address, and so forth. So 0, 1, 0. Exit. INT serial 0/1/0. So we just gotta go. So IP. Oh. Okay, so interface, IP address, and the 0/1. What should we add for the 0/1? So we got a 4. So I was thinking, I just had to double check my notes, and since we IP add, the serial on the router 4 is a 240.1, and with the subnet is 255.252. So we're going to be a 240.2. 192.168.240.2. Give it a subnet 255.255.252. Let's see. Do run. No shut. Do run. Okay. Let's give it a minute. Oh, I know what else is going on. INTS 0/1. Oh, yeah. It's a 0/1. 0, 1. Figures 0, 1, 0. 1, 0. Yeah. Okay. So I kind of screwed up on there. It's always good to have good notes. NT serial 0/0/0/1. No IP. Bad. Okay. Oh, that's gonna screw some stuff up. It's alright. So INT serial 0/1/0. IP address 192.168.240.1. 255.255.255.252. Okay. No okay. Rate 6400. And so we're keep on. So we're just got the clock rate. Let's do no shut. Perfect. Status is up. I bet the other one status went down. No, it kind of looks like it's up. We're getting disco, which is good. Now let's get out of here. We should be able just to ping from here to here, but not from the computers. Bet you $100 on that. Failed. Yep. Okay, so we just gotta add router rip. And what was this network here? .120.0. Router rip version 2 network .0 20.0 exit. Do run version. See if that works. Failed. Delete. Wonder if this doesn't have the rip. Let's see. 120.0 fig rip 120.0. Okay, with looking on this, I actually seen what I was doing wrong. I was actually never added the default gateway. So that's going to be really simple. Because I was getting a couple of fails going from, everything would ping from here to here, but not to here. And these two would ping perfectly, but I cannot ping from here to here. So I've just was going over what I was doing wrong. And let's see, let's go to desktop right here, our default gateway. So it's 120.1, which is the router right here. Got a little ahead of myself. I do apologize for that. Come here. 20.1. So let us check here. So we'll go from host C to R1. We should have a successful ping, which is perfect. Now let's see. Delete. Let's see if we can ping from host to host. We should have a fail. Why? Because we're using our IP address as 120.1. This is our network, so we just want to put a 0. Let's go from here. Now we'll just go to, there we go. So we just want to add 0. Let's make sure our rip right here has the 120. Okay, perfect. And let's just ping from host D to D. Oh, maybe I don't have the network. This has this network, but this one doesn't have that network. So what's going to happen there if they don't talk to each other? 0, 1, 10.0. 192.168.10.0. So we're going to add that. And I'm kind of cheating just a little bit. So here to here. Failed still. What's going on here? Do this. This doesn't have the 10.0. Add. I might have accidentally deleted that once. From here to here. Failed. Let's give it one more time. Failed. What is going on here? Rip 10.0. It's got the 120. This is 120.0. It's our network. This should have both of them. 120 and 10. and then 2.6.0, and then 2.10. So let's check this out. I know. Should get success. Good. So let's go from here to here. Failed. What is going on? Can I go from here to here? Success. Okay. I'm gonna go from here to here. Delete that. Let's do it again. Success to success. Can I go from here to here? That's what's going on. $20.0. What is going on? I just had this working. Zero, zero, zero. Oh, that should make on 20.2. Let's see if this is 20.1. Oh, 21, 64, 64. Okay, I just had a couple issues here. What I figured out what was going on is that this router was not routing in version 2. I swore up and down that let's see if we go on the CLI, hooked up or made sure it was in version 2. And you just got to make sure it's in version 2. And then you have all these addresses or the networks that you need to add. Make sure this one has all 3 of these, so everything all knows exactly what's going on. So we should be able to successfully host from R4 hostd to R2 hostd. Let's see here. Successful. Successful. So we're all talking from network to network, and that's exactly what was going on. I just did not have on version 2, and it caused me some pain and discomfort. So this actually concludes Packet Tracer 6.1.1. Thank you and have a great day.